Like a boss.
All right, ladies, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction, and today we're going to be talking about the question is how to change a man who cheated, right? And I got this question asked by one of my clients, and she allowed me to post a live through giving her a discount, which lets her ask the question at a lower price and lets me post a live, all right? Obviously, there's some things that change so that her identity remains anonymous, all right? But we're going to be talking about this right now, all right? Now, don't forget to hit the notification button to be notified when I'm going to be going live stream, because I'm going to be live streaming my book club that I'm going to put on Patreon. But when I live stream it and I'm done, I'm going to delete it. I'm only live streaming just to give me the motivation to do it, and then deleting it and then posting it on my Patreon. So if you want to get it for free for the freeloaders, just hit the subscribe and notification so that you know when I'm going live and recording it, all right? And with that being said, I'm posting it on my Patreon, where that's going to be my book club. My Robbie Green book club is going to be on my Patreon. I also have a YouTube channel on the book club. Everything's going to be on the description down below, because there I'm going to be posting all of his books. We're going to be dissecting every chapter, and we're going to take 1 hour per chapter. We're going to go really hard on those books, because I find them to be so valuable. All right. All right, so let's begin this, okay? And if you guys want to see my Spanish channel for women, it's also under the description down below. All right, she goes with, how to change a man who cheated. He confessed literally everything, showed all his vulnerabilities and weaknesses. He put down his ego and admitted to all his faults. He was shaking when he was shaking when he told me this, when he told me everything. Like, I believe it takes a lot of bravery to do that, and he truly felt guilty and ugly at that moment. Yet it doesn't mean he won't do it again. There you go, girl. My theory is that he craves for emotional experience that I can't provide, because I am rational and emotionless. The reason why: one, I like him. Two, fixing relationship and looking. Okay, the reason why you messaged me is: one, I like him. Two, fixing relationship and looking for new relationship that are on the same level of consumption level. Three, I want a stable facade to make my mom not worry about me. In order to genuinely change his behavior, he has to be emotionally stirred up, but I'm not sure the next step and how to make it this long term. Jesus Christ, my love. You're literally asking me how to struggle with a guy for the rest of your life. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. No. Ladies in the comment section, please be nice, all right? You all been there. Please be nice. But don't do this. Oh, come on, man. You can't be doing this. He cheated. And for your mom, a stable facade for your mom? Fuck your mom. No, oops. No, wait. I take it back, okay? I will never tell a person to fuck their moms, okay? Sorry about that. Your mom's a great person. She gave you birth. I'm sorry. But if she's pressuring you to have a relationship for her sake, then yeah. You go tell her to fuck herself, because you're not going to be with a person who cheated on you just to have a facade. It's better to be made fun of or thought of as the girl who can't find a husband than to be with a husband who you're completely unhappy with and being cheated on. Come on, man. Where you from? I'm not gonna say where you're from. Okay. She's from Korea. Okay, she's from South Korea. All right. Okay, I can see that. I'm sorry. I don't even mean to say that. I can see that. That's different. My God. I'm sorry. You tell your mom, look, mom, he cheated on me. I can't. You can't do this, man. You can't do this. You can't. I'm sorry. You can't. I can't give you advice for that, because if I give you advice for this, he's gonna repeat the behavior. Come on, girl. Come on. Come home. Nah, not even come home. Like the problem is the pressure from your family, and you say you like them. You gotta find yourself a new man, yo. Look, man. Go watch my video called Value Self-Respect Over a Relationship. Yeah, that's literally the video. Value self-respect over a relationship. Go watch that video. And that video will tell you everything you need to do to make sure this doesn't happen to you. Because you can't be doing this, girl. You're literally asking for trouble, and you're literally making me more income. And I don't want your money at the sake of your self-esteem. It's not worth it to me. That's not the point of this channel. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, move on from this, man. It's not worth it, man. Like, he truly felt good. Get the fuck out of here. And he was shaking. Get the fuck out of here, man. No. Fuck that shit, man. I can't believe that. I can't believe the shaking works. Move on, man. Okay, it's fine. I'm sorry. Move on. I hate the fact that this is the advice that I give most of you ladies, but it's for a reason, man. Some of you guys are just hard headed. You know, stubborn. Don't forget to purchase my merch, man. People think they're slick, man. They think they're slick. Purchase my merch in the description down below. They think they're slick, man. Look, lady, you're gonna have to join my book club. Go watch my video on my book club on my other channel called the first chapter of Robert Greene's book book called The Law of Irrationality. Go watch that. It'll really help. I'm not insulting you. All right, I'm sorry about that, but yeah, it is what it is. All right, ladies. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's live stream. It was fun. Some of you guys are out of control, to be honest with you. And don't forget to subscribe to, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to ask me those questions. And also, my book club, I also have a top 10 books on my description. So if you guys want to know the books that I recommend, it's in the description down below. And yeah, man. And I'm going to be doing a few seminars in Europe. So also go to the description down below where I'm going to be doing a seminar in Europe next year. All right, my love. Be safe. I hope I was able to help you out. I hope you're not crying. But it is what it is, man. You can't stay with home, okay? Now, look, if you want to make this work, you have to, how can I say this? You just cannot tolerate the cheating part. That's the problem. It's that is a no tolerance. Like, it's one thing he flirted with somebody, but the cheating part is no tolerance. To avoid cheating, you can't avoid it, but this is what you could do. Just completely, to avoid cheating, or at least to minimize the effect, you got to give a guy more space than necessary. And I know it's easy, and I know it's counterintuitive, but in reality, if you give a guy enough space, he's gonna notice how much. How can I say? He's gonna sense that he's gonna say, man, like, why doesn't she like me enough? And that's gonna make him close the gaps that you're not closing by you giving him space. And that's what I teach on this channel. But just go watch the video I recommend you. It'll really help you on top of this video. All right, be safe.
All right, ladies, so this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. It's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post honeymoon period, and again is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, the term manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.